right, you guys, let's go ahead and get started. As you can see, my hair is already sectioned off. I've already washed it and conditioned it, and I did apply twists just to keep myself organized. So I'm going to be using the Coconut Cream collection by Aunt Jackie's, the Buttercream Intensive Moisture Sealant. And this is going to be used as my styler. So this is a very moisturizing product. It's light. It's not a heavy cream, so it won't weigh down my hair. So I think that it's absolutely perfect for nice fluffy styles like this. But it also provides like intense moisture. It's crazy because it provides so much moisture, but it's not heavy and it doesn't weigh your hair down. So I am going to be doing a twist and curl, and as you guys can see, I've already started on one here. For my hair length, I would have probably used the white rods, but I went ahead and added some of the lilac, which is fine. So I'm just gonna apply some of that buttercream to my hair, and I'm going to twist my hair halfway down and then apply a rod at the end. And you guys can watch and see how I do that. The key here is to make sure that your ends are nice and flat on that rod. There's nothing puffing up, so that you can get a nice outcome when you take off the rod. And this is what my hair looks like once I'm done rodding. I'm just gonna let that dry for a couple of hours. You can sit under the dryer, or you can simply let it air dry. I think I may have let it air dry for approximately 3 hours. My hair was dry in the twist when I first started to apply these rods. So I am just taking out my rods, and as you guys can see, it is dry because my hair took the form of the rods very nicely, and my curls are bouncing right back. And now I'm just gonna start separating these twists, and you guys can watch and see how I do that. After I separate, I'm going to be picking, of course, you know, I love a lot of height and volume, and we're going for a nice, super cute curly fro. So you guys just watch and see how I separate my hair. So my hair has been separated, and as you can see, it looks really full right now. It has so much body, you guys, and it's not weighed down. It's very defined as well. But I'm gonna go a step further, and I'm going to add more volume and more height and get rid of those parts that you're seeing. So I am just gonna raise the roots, just lifting my roots. I'm not taking the pick all the way through. And this is gonna give me the height, the volume, and the fullness that I'm looking for. And this is my final look, you guys. I absolutely love how this buttercream has my hair feeling. Very light, very fluffy, and very moisturized. This buttercream does have honey, shea butter, and avocado, so it's very moisturizing. Let me know what you think about this style down below in the comment section below. Check the description box for information on where you can get the product. And as always, I'll talk to you guys on my next video. Bye.